Hi.
I got a water. I got a water.
Here's your 20th margarita.
Thanks, buddy. What? Hey, man. This is my virgin margarita.
Jake, you need your swimsuit on.
Like that goose egg?
Jake, you need that.
Wow, that's a good one.
I know. Want to get in the water?
Hey, Jake.
Jake, you
Jake.
gotta put your swimsuit on, bud.
Put your swimsuit on.
No.
Oh, boy.
Here's a truck. You want a truck? No. Do you want to get in there with brother? No.
Get that goose egg out there. Look at that.
I know.
Woo, look at that, Allie.
They were jumping on the bed, and Jake accidentally hit him with a... He's okay. Yeah.
Dude, there's mommy.
I know.
Mama, does Jake want to swim?
Well, yeah, I don't know if he does.
Can they have these?
Yes.
I want that bird.
Which one do you want?
Don't ask and just give them one.
Oh, this one's dead. This the bananas and strawberries like yogurt. Yeah.
Do you want to eat? You want to eat? Here.
Let me see if it's any good.
It's okay, Colin. It's okay.
I think we tested it. See if there was any good. Well, it's the same flavor as yogurt, but it's juice. Your yogurt is banana strawberry, and that's banana strawberry too, but it's juice. Well, then, you got a swimsuit, Emma's got a swimsuit.